Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you a very easy strategy that you can use to scalp 5 candles in the boom and crash market. So in this strategy, you must not go more than 5 candles. You want to be in and out as fast as possible. Look carefully on my chart. This is the 1 minute time frame and this is boom 1000. So you don't need to go to the higher time frame, although if you go to 15 minutes time frame to determine the direction of the market or you use price action, it is very nice. But if you only use the 1 minute time frame, you can also cash nice opportunities. So this strategy will give you over 90% win rate if you pay attention and you take note of everything I'll be telling you in this video. So if you look carefully on my chart, I have just 3 indicators. I have moving average, I have the RSI, which has the level 85 and the level 15. I also have the MACD inside the RSI. So the combination of the MACD and the moving average gives a very accurate setup in the boom and crash market. So before I explain how this strategy works, let me quickly show you settings to my indicator. First thing you do is to click on this indicator icon over here, moving average, MACD and RSI. To select the moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart, moving average, click on that, make your period to be 35, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply, close, style, 3 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the MACD, click on the F icon on the main chart, scroll down a bit, MACD, click on that, make your fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. For the main style, make it 1 pixel, select color of your background. For the signal style, make it 3 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the RSI, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1, scroll down a bit, RSI, click on that, make your period to be 1, apply to close, style 1 pixel, select color of your background. For the levels, click on this pen icon, add level, type 15 and 85, style, make it 1 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. For the zoom level, let's say this is the innermost zoom, you will zoom in 2 times, 1, 2. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. So what are we looking for? First thing we want to wait for is a spike to the upside that pushes this MACD into the 85 level, at the same time breaking this moving average to the upside. Then you want to see candle coming down, creating candle below this moving average. You want to see at least 2 candles below this moving average. You don't enter immediately. You will wait for a single spike after this movement below the moving average. So once you have this spike, you enter your sell and count your 5 candles easily. After the spike, you close your trade and you look for another opportunity. So this is another one at this point. You can see market spike to the upside, pushes the MACD into the 85 level. For the bull market, we focus on the 85 level because it is a resistant level where we expect market to sell from. Comes to create 2 candles below this moving average. Once you have that, you wait for a spike. Once you have the spike, you enter your sell and count your 5 candles. You see how market delivers that. This is also another one at this point. You have a spike, retrace, and a spike. This spike pushes the moving average into the 85 level. You can see market retrace below this moving average, create over 2 candles below the moving average. You want to wait for a spike. Once you have that, you enter your sell and count your 5 candles. The market delivers. So that is how you trade it in the bull market. Let's go to the crash market and let me show you how it works over there. This is the crash 1000 market. So in the crash market, we focus our attention on the 15 level because this is a support level. When market set to it, we expect market to buy to the upside. So we can see spike, retrace, spike, pushes the MACD into the 15 level, which is a good support level. You want to see market generate at least 2 candles above the moving average. Market goes to the upside, create a spike. Once you have this spike, you will enter your buy immediately and count your 5 candles. You see how market delivers that. This is also another one at this point. Spike, retrace, spike, pushes the MACD into the 15 level, generates 2 candles above the moving average after entering the 15 level. Have a spike, enter your buy and count your 5 candles. The market delivers that. This is also another one at this point. spike, retrace, and spike. Pushes the MACD into the 15 level from this point. You want to see candle generating above this moving average. You want the spike to be created to either be below the moving average or to break the moving average to the downside. After this candle has been generated, you wait for a spike. It can be a long spike or a short spike. It can be as short as these bullish candles to the upside. It doesn't matter, as long as it is a bearish candle, you will use it to enter your trade, enter your buy, and count your 5 candles. You see how market delivers that. So this strategy also works on the boom and crash 900. Let me show you some examples over there. This is the boom 900 market. What are we looking for? We want to see a spike that pushes this MACD into the 85 level. Don't forget, I said for the bull market, you focus on this 85 resistant level. You have market goes below the moving average at this point. You see this spike that breaks it. Then you want to see a small spike again. You enter your sell, and then you count your 5 candles. You see how market delivers that. Close your trade and look for another opportunity. This is another one at this point. Market spike, retrace, but did not have the closure below this moving average. So you can see the spike to the upside. So you will not take the trade because this is no longer invalid. This is the one that you want to see that the candles closes below the moving average. This is a nice one at this point. You have a spike, retrace, and then a spike. The spike pushes the MACD into the 85 level. Candle closes below the retracement. You have a small spike. Enter your sell and count your 5 candles. See how market delivers that. Like I tell you, if you stick to the rules I'm giving in this video, you will definitely see up to 90% win rate trading this strategy. You can see how accurate it is. Spike, a long spike to the upside, consolidates over here, closes below. You can have 2 candles below this moving average. You have a spike, enter your sell and count your 5 candles. You see how market delivers that also. So this is the crash 900 market. What you are looking for is the same thing over and over again. You don't have to change anything. You just have to stick and follow the rules. Spike to the downside, pushes the MACD into the 15 level. This is the crash market. Generate up candles above this moving average. You have a spike. Once you have this spike, you enter your buy and then you count your 5 candles. Market has a very strong direction over here. You have a small spike. This spike is enough to push the market into a support level. Why? Because the buying pressure is very high. Then you have a small spike. So here you don't expect long spike to the downside. So this small spike is enough to take market to the upside. You enter your buy, you count your 5 candles, and then you are out. So sometimes market can still reverse on you, but once you see a spike below your entry price, you should close your trade immediately. That is how you manage your account so that you don't blow your account guessing that market will continue in an uptrend or it will continue in a downtrend. Just close your trade and look for another opportunity. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy, test it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Then go on your demo account and trade it in a live moving market. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.